In this video, we will cover the role of Governor-General. Our proposal is to push for a national referendum to require, by popular vote, election of the Governor-General of the Commonwealth of Australia.
The Governor-General is a key role which demands exercising the power of the executive branch.
Chapter 2 of the Australian Constitution details the powers of the executive branch of government. It states that the executive power of the Commonwealth is exercised by the Governor-General as the representative of the Crown and extends to the execution and maintenance of this Constitution and for the laws of the Commonwealth.
There is no specific mention of the Prime Minister nor any other Member of Parliament who are part of the legislative branch of government.
It is our view, because the Prime Minister and the Ministers of State are an integral part of the government of the day in the legislature, there is no proper separation between the legislature and the executive branches of government.
The Governor-General is supposed to exercise the executive powers, including the execution and maintenance of the Constitution. This current situation creates a lack of transparency. It is opaque.
And mistakes can be covered up by parliamentarians who have far too much unchecked power. As a consequence, we believe there is not a clear separation of powers between the legislative branch, that is both Houses of Parliament, and the executive branch, which are currently ministerial portfolios, such as the Minister for Finance, for example. This is why we believe the important decision and responsibility to select the Governor-General must fall to the Australian people. As the role of Governor-General sits under the executive branch, to have true separation of powers between the executive branch and the legislature, no Member of Parliament should have influence on who is selected to be Governor-General, or, for that matter, hold positions in the executive.
And we also propose that candidates for Governor-General should not belong to a political party or any political organisation when running for office. This is to further strengthen the separation of powers.
Despite being elected, the Governor-General would still be the Crown's representative, and thus electing the Governor-General would not require Australia to be a republic or change our status as a constitutional monarchy. By extension, the above points would also apply to the respective governors of the states throughout the Commonwealth to strengthen the separation of powers nationally.
Remember, these are just our proposals. We are not implementing any changes. This can and will only be done with the consensus of enough people who are ready for change.
And just to confirm, we are not a political party. Think of us more of a think tank or lobby group to help improve politics in Australia. To find out more about ABG and our other proposals, or become a member and get involved, head to www.australiansforbetter.com
and keep a lookout for our other proposals in this series on the separation of powers.